दामी हर्लिजहरू है कस्टम बिल्डहरू रहेछ है यो त ठुलो व्हिल्स है हार्लिजहरू नै धेरै हुन्छ जस्तो यहाँ कस्तो कलर पप हो क्या यसको त अहिले स्पोर्ट्स बाइकहरू पनि हेर्नु अहिले यहाँ हर्ली सेक्सनमा छु जस्तो म क्लासिक्सहरू पनि छ यार उता Oh my god for sale damn कति लिन्छ होला है गेस यसको I'm pretty sure यसको 70-80 त लिन्छ होला Classic Kawi 1000 Z1000 Limited Inline 4 oh my god easy पनि रहेछ ल Royal Enfield पनि छ surprisingly yeah Royal Enfield ले पनि खूब मार्केट लिन थालेछ आजकल स्पेशली यो Himalayan भयो हैन के Meteor Super Meteor 650 good to see familiar brands but yeah it's a classic Himalayan cheap options are पर्छ यो and I think I've seen a couple of them riding around this color mattress यो कस्तो राम्रो छ 100 man two-tone blue and white मा राम्रो देख्ने रहेछ तर त्यही हो अलि पावर हुँदैन यिनीहरुमा बिगिनर वर्करलाई पर्फेक्ट Let's check out some more classic bike अनि म त्यसपछि चाहिँ स्पोर्ट्स तिर जान्छु I think I see a few sports bike around here Oof Where is the दामी hot rodहरु Three-wheelers.
I think that was multi-color.
It's not supposed to be a baby seat or you got it. Yeah, I think you can fit like a. Why not? I think you can fit a whole person there. That's just small. Use it. Doesn't get more American than this, I guess. Look at this machine. Nice. Oh, copyright like this music ma. अब चाहिँ आयो है मेरो सेक्सन सुपर स्पोर्ट्स Diablo अनि मेरो ड्रीम बाइक X1KRR कति पर्दो रहेछ 29,905 मसँग यसको आधा पनि छैन for now Damn. Yo, white ones are so राम्रो. Especially looks amazing in white. Alright, moving on. Motocross biker. Bunsa, not a big fan, but for people who might like it. I don't know what this is. Kawasaki's version. There you go. So we got some KTM's in the house. 1290 Super Duke. Ooh, 15,000. This is not bad. I think people might use more for super touring. So this looks mean AF. Yeah, it's a lot. I think this is CB650R. I think. Oh no, you the CB500R. So 500. Dual disc na dekhi lagi moi. This is a nice bike. Nice black and orange. Look, the infamous Gixxer Squid bike. I think this is 750. Oh, this is 1,000. Woo. Used bike section also. I think these are all for sale. We got our R1, M1. I don't think this is M1. This is R1. Golden accent. There we go. FZ09, मेरा bike को दाई. Inline 3. 7,000, right? Not bad. मैले मेरो bike 5 मा लिएको. I think मेरो bike पनि हुनु पर्ने हो यहाँ. Just as we spoke. यो चाहिँ GSX-S गाडी हो. 750S. मैले यो लिन लागेको थिएँ तर रिभ्युजमा चाहिँ यो अलि हेभी छ. Comparative to F07, which is right here. The bike. यो चाहिँ MT भनेर आइसकेपछि होला I think यो. I see some changes, something different. मेरो जस्तो exhaust रहेछ. अगाडि front अलिकति change छ. This is MT07, FZ07, 6,000. Nice, 3,000 मात्र कुदेको राम्रो deal हो यार यो त. Then we have another Gixxer. This could be 752. I think this is 750. La Japanese cruiser Vulcan S. Pretty decent looking. Scrambler 62. I think this is the 400 version, no 600 version. I'm not sure. Let's just check it out. I think this is 600. Cylinder. Oh, 800cc, 800 version. My bad, my bad. Oh, looks good. Good though. Moto Guzzi. I don't think most people have heard about this brand. It's a pretty good brand. I've heard मलाई पनि त्यस्तो केही थाहा छैन. Especially मलाई यसको इन्जिन चाहिँ अलिकति V-twin तर यो अलिकति अर्कै हिसाबले माउन्ट गरेको छ. So it always sticks out if you see it from front. It sticks out pretty far from the tank. Got your cast. Hey, Honda को mini bike हो यार यो त. BMWs are hundreds. Look, Triumph 1946 here. यो त पुरानो हो तर there's nothing compared to this old guy right here. I don't even know what this is. M-Film? M-Film? Something? So very retro biker racing, I'd say. Most of them at least. For example, this. Custom built Indians. I'm pretty sure yung Nepal ma pani थियो होला पहिला. Long ago. Great grandfather ko pala. It looks familiar. And then there's this Harley Davidson 1953. Cool. Service car पहिला I think सामान-सामानहरुलाई नि tow model. This is a tow model which was used by car dealers and gas stations for one-person car pickups and deliveries. Okay, delivery bike. That's nice. Visor, headlamps. There's our beloved Bumblebee doing his own thing. Pretty sure he's thinking what the hell he's doing there on all these bikes. Anyways, I'll catch you later. And we got some more Harleys. Oh, I see some sports bikes. I'll get to that section in a while. We got all the accessories that's been sold right here. Mirrors and parts and whatnot. We even got fenders, and mufflers and stuff. And then you got bikes all over this section. It's a kun race, huh? पुरानो जी हो है के त पुरानो GSX-R 750. Is this the empty FZ09? पुरानो यो पनि FZ09 रहेछ. 2014. R1. Is it an R6? R1. Harley Davidson live wire, all electric. 24K. It's pretty nice. I'm sure it's very heavy. That's very interesting. Harley Davidson pun main ya, I don't know which one. Looks good. This is a new live wire, Naya live wire. So here, it does say live wire, but I don't know which one. Let's take a look at this thick guy right here. Pretty nice. Z1000. Laaya. OG Busa. OG Hayabusa. Green Lantern theme race. ZX6 fun racer. ZX6? ZX6. This looks way more meaner than the Hayabusa, but still, a Busa is a Busa. Nice. It's, I guess, K theme hola yo. I'll show you. By the way, music is bike bada raha. And there he is.
take it out for a ride.
You look good on it.
Thank you, thank you.
Classic, classic, classic. ZX 600R. Old school, right? Top prize, a winning bike on now. And we got some live music.